Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put the latch. This one should be on the top. So I'm testing the latch with the screwdriver. Looks good. Okay. Put it here. Two screws. Okay, test it again. All good. Pretty much smooth. So, next step, choose the keypad. Put the keypad here. And put the plate back. Put the cable, the ribbon cable. So make sure the pins. Okay, I'm going to the holes. Then I'm putting these two screws, the black one. And I tied it by my hand, okay? Means everything is perfect. Okay, using a screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna go and testing again the latch. It's good. I put it this one. So put the ribbon cable. Okay, push it. Push it a little bit inside and put it here. Using two screws. Okay, this is good. It's the second one. Okay, so now I'm gonna test this one. No resistance.
Okay, love.
Okay.
Take off this thing first.
Which one? No. This is the transmitter of the.
Oh, it has to be there.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to control this one remotely. But anyways. Okay, put it this one here.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to Jim. I don't understand what's wrong. That's all.